Today, I'm going to be making my version of a cheesy beef potato casserole. This casserole dish feeds your whole family. It's a one luck pot dinner. You just layer it in the oven, hour or so. You have a wonderful dinner for everybody in your family. It's quick and it's easy. So stay tuned and let's do this. So these are some red skin potatoes that I have cutting all the redness off. If you like using the skin of the potato, all you got to do is wash these potatoes and slice them up and you're ready to go. And I'm slicing them up pretty thick because when I like my casserole, since it's a potato casserole, I like to see the potato. Okay, I've got some ground beef and I'm going to stick some of this ground beef in here. And I'm going to use about a pound of ground beef. You can use more if you want. It depends on how much you're cooking. I'm just making a small casserole dish and I want it to be small. You know how you say I'm making it small and you start to put all this stuff on and you're like, this is not really small. I need a bigger dish. That's me. But I got a pound of ground beef and make sure you want to use something with really great flavor. So I use about an 80-20 because I want a little fat to it. I want it to be juicy. And we're going to start adding seasoning to this. Okay, I got some ground thyme. Let's go add that garlic. I add about a clove of garlic in here. And I want all this garlic. You want every bit of it. And you want this to cook because you want all that to be in there. Okay, a little paprika in here. And I've got Be Sure to Season seasoning blend. To get this, you can go to BeSureTocook.com or go to Amazon and look up Be Sure to Season seasoning blend on Amazon or go straight to the website at BeSureTocook.com. Okay, so I'm opening up this and I'm going to use a little bit of my Be Sure to Cook seasoning. Okay, let's talk about our cheeses. This right here is Asiago, and this is about a third cup of Asiago that I shredded. I also shredded some sharp cheddar cheese, which this is a sharp cheddar. Then I also shredded about a half cup of smoked cheddar. I've got some Monterey Jack that I have shredded up here, and that's about a half a cup too. Okay, guys, I sliced up really see-through thin red bell pepper and green bell pepper, and they're just small little pieces. Okay, so after I did that, I'm going to add just about a sprinkle or so of thyme, a little garlic powder, and don't forget to Be Sure to Season seasoning blend. So it's Be Sure to seasoning blend. We're going to sprinkle a little bit over there just to give it a little pop. Okay, this is just a can of fresh mushrooms. I got a small can, and make sure you get them where you want them whole. Okay, guys, I've got my stove back on. I've drained my hamburger. I'm going to use the same pot as I cooked my hamburger in. I'm just going to throw those in there, and I'm going to toast these up and get these nice and cooked. Okay. Okay, I took these out. I gave them a head start. They're still crunchy. Oh, yeah. But we don't want them to be soggy. Okay, I've got a little bit of half and half of milk. So that will be half and half. And then I got a little bit of regular milk. But it is a 2%. Or you can use whole milk. It's whatever you want. So I say I got about a whole cup of milk here. Okay, I'm going to put in my cheese. And I'm going to slowly have this on the stove, and I'm going to let all those cheeses just melt inside this cream. Okay, I'm adding some black cracked pepper here into my cheese sauce. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of Parmesan in here, Parmesan cheese. And you can get the one that's like the Kraft can if you want, or you can do the one freshly. I've got a cream of mushroom with roasted garlic that's going into my cheese sauce here. Okay, that's the cream of mushroom with roasted garlic. And I'm going to stir this into this sauce that I have made. Then I've got just a regular old can of cream of mushroom to throw off that balance there. So I want it to really get in there. I season that up with Be Sure to Seasoning blend in here. And I'm just going to whip this all in here and smooth this down. Okay, I've got my round casserole dish. I'm going to take some quick spray. This is a butter spray, the non-stick butter spray, or you can use olive oil, any kind of butter spray you got, as long as it doesn't stick. So I'm going to put this at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk at the bottom. I'm going to also add a little bit of my sauce. Okay, I'm going to start laying my potatoes down at the bottom because they're going to cook into the juice and absorb the juice up, and that's what I'm looking for. Then my seasoned hamburger is going to go down on top of these wonderful potatoes. Okay, then I'm going to put some sauce on top of here. Then I got my wonderful vegetables that are going to go down on top of this. Then I've got some cheese. This is a 3 cheese blend. Okay, so we're going to repeat the process and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put cheese on this, but I'm going to have to cook these potatoes down. So what I'm going to do is I sprayed my aluminum foil with nonstick spray. I am going to take it and I'm going to cover this and let this steam, covering it all together. And I'm going to put this in the oven for about 50 minutes. I got this oven on about 350 degrees. Put this in here, and off it goes. All righty. This is completely nice, heated, and done. Oh, look at this. Oh, let's take this out. It's a little heavy. And I'm pretty sure all the potatoes and everything is cooked nice and good inside. Okay, guys, it has cooled down. I am going to dig down in here and get some of the potatoes and everything. And I am going to plate this. Ooh, look at that. Look at me plating. All righty, look at this. This is a really great hearty meal. Look at that. Okay, guys, let's taste this. I'm going to dig in here. Ooh, I've got a potato here. I've got my sauce and my meat. It's going to be so good. Oh my God, I like it. This is like a cheeseburger with tomatoes. You can taste not the tomatoes. I don't know where I'm getting the tomatoes, but the delicious. I love potatoes. I said tomatoes and I meant potatoes. Oh my God, this is so different, guys. This is so hearty. This is delicious and the best. Oh, look, I've got a mushroom here. Oh, this is so comfort. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to let you go because I'm getting ready to eat this. This is my dinner and I'm going to tear this up. Cheesy beef potato casserole. That is so delicious. I love it. I love the way I did it. I love the way I created it. This is actually BeSure's way, my way. This is my dinner. So, hey guys, I got to get ready to get out of here because my dinner is getting cold. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, come back next time because we can make plenty more dishes like this beef cheesy casserole. And we're going to make more of these. So guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together and we can do plenty more. Hey, see you next time. Bye.